Hey guys, bring those feet wide, soft bend in your knees, engage your core. Start to roll those shoulders to the back. We're gonna get the body nice and warm, and then we're gonna get into some cardio dance. Let's circle those arms back, slow. Opening up the chest, waking up the body. Woo! Stay right here for 4, 3, 15 minutes is all we got today. So we're gonna take every moment and get those bodies nice and warm and prepped for the day. Good, you're gonna slow the arms down, big circle and circle, just for 2, up and around. Good, last one, let's roll those hips to the right and right. Getting those hips moving and grooving. Now reverse it, take it over to the left for 8. You got 6, we're here for 4, 3, we're gonna take the rib cage side to side, just squeeze those obliques. It's okay if it's really small, fire into your core. Good, now reach those arms out, reach and reach. We got 4, 3, 2, big stretch up and over to the right. Ah, good, lift it up. We take it to the other side, big reach. You got it, y'all. Bring it back up top. Turn your toes out. Let's find a pulse for 8. For 6, shoulders down, energy out the fingertips. And then we're gonna take a little lunge over to the right, 8. 6, we're gonna stay nice and low in those legs. Now hold it low, you're gonna tap that foot, front, back, front, back. So you're pushing into this supporting front leg. Soft bend in that front knee. Woo! In and back. You have 2 more. Last one, hold it right here. Just circle, circle. Working that booty. Little bend in the knee. Good, coming back to center. We pulse for 8. For 6, we're gonna head into that second side, right here. Over to the left, pulse for 8. 6, keep your core engaged here. 3, tap that right foot and you're gonna tap it in and back, in and back, tap. Remember to stabilize into this front leg. 4, woo, 3, give me 2. On 1, hold it back, circle back and back, yes. 4, 3, let's come back to the center, little drop and up. Inhale and exhale. Woo! So good, you guys. We're gonna hit that same pattern. We're just gonna level it up a little bit to elevate the heart rate. Start with your pulse in the center. Take it, 8. 6, stay low, inner and outer thighs here. Now we take it to the right side. We pulse it down and down. Now instead of those toe taps, we're gonna hinge forward, pull the back knee in, crunch, crunch, exhale, exhale, that's it. Deep bend in the front knee. Fire into your core. We have 8, woo, 6, you got it, y'all. 4, 3, 2, on 1, circle back, back. Good, option to make it a little bigger and bigger. 8, 6, really opening up that shoulder, keep it controlled. Come back to the center, pulse, 8. Heading into second side. Woo! Can you get a little lower and stay there? Take it to the left side. We're here for 8. For 6, keep breathing. 4, 3, hinge it forward. Back knee pulls in. In. Feel the energy. Feel your core start to fire up. Building warm from the inside out. Exhale, exhale. We got 4, 3, 2, hold it back. Circle. You're playing that guitar. Woo! Option to make it even bigger. Swing it back for 8. For 6, good. 4, 3, bring it center, plie it down. Inhale and exhale. Down, reach. Now we take it to our right side. Go down, little reach. Down, little reach. Taking your upper body up and off those hips, obliques fire up. Yes, inhale, exhale. One more each way, go right, go left, bring it to the center, and up. Woo, good. All right, y'all, We're gonna move on into a little dance moment. Here's our first set of moves. You're gonna lift up, tuck, up, twist. So you're tucking the foot behind and your arms are reaching towards that back toe. Finding a little twist in the torso, a little activation in the oblique. We lift, we reach. We lift, we reach. Now, we're gonna take one on each side, so we go to the right, we go to the left, and then we're gonna roll the booty 2 times, just like that. Do it again slow. Lift, twist, booty roll twice. Now take that a little bit faster, right here. Lift up, booty roll 2 times. Lift, twist, and roll, and roll. Let's go. 2 more sets. Woo! Last time. Lift. Little change here. We're just gonna step touch, step touch, step touch. You add that reach if you're feeling good. Reach, reach, step, tap. We have 4. We have 3. We're gonna head back into that lift and twist. Here we go. Lift, twist to the right. Go up, booty, hey, up. So we're moving a little faster than we started today. You can always take it a little slower if you need to. Listen to your body. Back to the step touch. We reach, right, left, reach, reach. Like you're grabbing something on the highest shelf. You're here for 4. I'm gonna add on a new move. In 2, on 1, we take a big scoop. Over to the right, toss up to the left. Over to the left, toss, drop to the right. We alternate sides, dipping low into the legs. Last time, lift, twist from the top. Let's go. Up. Woo! Yes, you can. Lift, twist, booty work. Lift, twist. So good, so strong. Last time here, we step touch to the right. Let's go. Reach, reach, step touch all day. Woo! Yes, if you're feeling, you can add a little hop, leveling up a little bit. You're here for 4. 3, big scoop, drop it low, scoop. Yes. Up, other side. If we're going different ways, who cares? Just alternate your sides, get both those legs nice and even. Last one here, new move. We're gonna add on, last set, you're gonna step right, flick behind, left, flick behind, step, just melt the arms, feet stay the same. Again, go step, flick behind, step, flick behind, melt it down. Now try that faster. Let's go. Step, flick. If the arms don't feel good, just focus on that little kick behind your heel. Step, kick, or if you feel it, add the arms. Last time, taking it from the top, lift and twist. Let's go. Woo! That's it, you guys. That's all we got for this song. So, just focus on the intention behind every movement, getting a little stronger. We step touch. Let's go. Take it up. Right, left, right, and left. Keep going. Up, reach, and reach. You got it. 4, 3, big scoop. Take it over to the right. Scoop it low. Make it rain. Let it go. Scoop it low. Toss the glitter. Scoop. And reach. Good. Last time. We take our little step flick. Right side. Here we go. Swipe. Right, left. Melt. Melt. Right, left. Melt. Melt. 2 more times. We're gonna go from the top. 1 more time through. Finish strong. Lift, twist. Here we go. Up, roll, roll. Lift, lift, roll, roll. For 2. Last step. Up, step touch. Let's go. Reach high. Right, left. Finish it. Stronger than you started. Newsflash, you're more than halfway through it. So don't give up now. If you need to, you modify, but we keep moving. Big scoop, take it over to the right, scoop. Make it rain. To the left, make it rain. To the right. Can you go even lower this time? I think you can. Step flick, take it over to the right, flick. Flick, melt, melt. Flick, flick, melt, Last two, come on, let it go. Woo! Last one. You got it, and take a breath. Good work, you guys. We have one final push, 3 more minutes, high energy, and then I'm gonna cool you down. All right, so you're gonna start with the right foot, going front, back, forward, in, out, and in. Your option is to add a press through the palms, out, in. Find those straight arms, straight to the corners of your space. If you want more, hop it at the back. Woo! That's it. You got it, y'all. Give me 4, 3. Can you set bigger? Take up more space. Now we're gonna slide, right, rock, left, rock. So you're really pushing to the side, cut behind. Push, cut, push. That's it for 2. And 1, little clap right here, little step, clap. You're kicking the booty with that heel. Yes, feel it build. It's coming. Woo! Here we go. 4 more. 3, you're gonna take it up to the sky, point it. Up, drop, up. 4, pop, side to side, go up, down, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Hey, last time. You got it. We're gonna take that thing to the left side. That thing, that step. Forward, back. You might not feel strong on the left side, but I want you to push through it. Trying to build balance to the best of our ability. You have that option to press those arms out, in. Woo! You've got that hop at the back. If it's feeling good, listen to your body. You know where you're at today. Last time we slide to the left, slide, rock, push the curtains, push them open. Woo! We have 4, 3. Clap it up. Woo! Kick your booty. If you want, you come higher. What would you do if you knew you only had less than a minute left? Make those changes. Let's go. We take it up to the sky. Up, down, up. 4 pops. Option to jump on that reach. If that feels good, bend your knees on your landing. Woo! Good. Let's go up. You have 4 more. Stay here. 4. Are you breathing? Let's go. 3. Woo! Last 2. Hit it. Last one. And breathe. Tap. Float those arms as high as they want to go. Whew. We did it, y'all. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet in. Big inhale up. Exhale down. Big inhale reaches up. Push your shoulders away from your ears. Stand tall, stand proud. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Last time here, I want you to hold those arms up at the top. Reach through the roof. Drop your right arm, little side body stretch. Good, stay here. Dive forward over your legs, bend your knees, just hang over those legs. Start to rebuild your spine, 1 vertebrae at a time until you reach the top. Arms up. Good, the left arm drops over. Big side body stretch, shoulders away from your ears. And round forward. Right over those legs, soft bend in the knees. Start to rebuild the spine. 4, 3, 2, feet go wide. Little press, up and down. You're carving that little half circle. Energy out, the fingertips, all 10 of them. Give me 4, 3, let your body start to cool down. Invite that sweat to come in. You got it. Hold it here. Reach with the right. Go right. Left. Reach. On the corner. Palms flip. Down. down. Woo! So good. Reach a little higher. So strong. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Turn your toes out, drop, and lift. Take it down, take it up for 2. Last one, hold it up. Drop your arms and release into those inner thighs. Drop your chest forward. Dip the right shoulder as you take a twist through your spine. Maybe sway those hips side to side and back up through center. Other way. Dip your left shoulder. Find that twist in the spine. And come up back through center. We're gonna release down. Stretch the legs straight. And just let your head hang heavy here. Shake it, yes. Shake it now. And then softly bend through the knees. Rebuild that spine one final time. Give your shoulders a big lift and release them down your back. Give yourself a round of applause. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, let me know in those comments below. And if you want to support my channel, there's a couple links in the description of this video. Click those and I will see you back on the dance floor very soon.